right here is the living room and kitchen. And then if you cross that bridge, that's the bedroom. And you have this whole aviary to yourself. It is just filled with different types of birds. There's some hawks in here. You can kind of just see them flying around. And the best part is there are so many plants everywhere you go. Different flowers, vegetables, herbs. So let's go check it out. Welcome! So right here when you walk in, there is a place to park your car.
2 cars.
Probably 2 cars, yeah. Lots of motorbikes. Come on in. So as you walk in, you can see there's lots of birds already just hanging out. And this is a gigantic garden that you have full access to. And we can actually even go up inside of this tower to the very top.
That's crazy.
If you come back here, you'll see there's plenty of chickens.
Chicken coop.
Wow.
She said these are called pheasants.
Pheasants.
They look like chickens to me.
Yeah. Maybe those are the females?
Could be.
Whoa, that was a hawk. Oh, the male pheasant is hiding from us. So when we first got here, our hosts gave us some coconuts to drink. So we just took a seat out here, had some coconuts, and then we made our way into our room. Let's get it. Right here is the living room and kitchen. And then if you cross that bridge, that's the bedroom. And you have this whole aviary to yourself. All right, so this aviary is brand new. It was just built by a family of architects. It took about 3 to 4 months to build the whole entire thing. And then they thought, well, we've got this aviary, we've got this little home, we might as well share it with people so they can enjoy it too. They also supplied us with lots of cool things like board games. This is fresh fruit, it's real. So that's really amazing of them. And the kitchen is fully stocked, including sodas, waters, beers, tea, whatever your heart desires. And then there's also a 7-Eleven like right out there if you want to get any snacks.
As always in Thailand.
As always. And fresh eggs from the aviary.
From the chicken coop.
Very nice. So we will be eating some delicious, delicious eggs tomorrow.
The appliances are really nice in here too.
Look at this beautiful lighting.
Attention to detail.
So gorgeous, lots of space, huge TV, and look at these views. It's just so gorgeous. All right, let's go check out the bedroom. The AC looks amazing. So bedroom. You've got a great desk space, a place to work if you're an expat.
I don't know if they did this on purpose, but there's also a bit of a chocolate smell in here.
Yes, it smells like chocolate. It does. Yeah, I think it's probably, they've got some room space in here. Nice big bed with views of the aviary. And you can watch the birds in the morning. They're all just out there doing their thing. And their closet space, there's a lot. There's a lot of closet space. A couple of robes, his and her robes. And also slippers. There's lighting in here too.
The weird thing is, I haven't seen a bathroom. Do they have a bathroom?
There is a bathroom. There is a bathroom.
Wow.
Fully stocked bathroom right here. Everything you could need.
Love the black marble in the shower.
They're so cute. They gave us some toothbrush, toothpaste, little cotton pads, and guys, candles. We can wake up and have our coffee out on the balcony.
Watch Georgie.
Watch Georgie. And again, this whole place is ours. The whole entire aviary. We've got free roaming access. We can climb the tower.
At any time of day or night.
At any time. Dragon fruit. Yum. It's perfectly ripe too. So one of the really cool things about this aviary is there are rafters that you can go behind, and if you stay here you have full access to all of this. Just go around the rafters and take a look at the plants. There's the bedroom again over there, and the tower that you can climb if you'd like. Oh look, some chilies here. All of these plants are growing different things. Cool. When we first saw this listing, we kind of had assumed that maybe there were a couple of stays. We didn't think that we'd have access to all of this. Gigantic leaves. There's George right there. He's right above me. There's more hawks up there, but they're kind of aggressive, so they're kept separately. I really feel like I am in an adult jungle gym right now, and I'm very surprised that we're even allowed in this area. It's just like you can climb all around this place, and there's really so much to see. So there's the kitchen, and here I am in the rafters. So you can really go through the whole property this way. Alright guys, so we are just now finishing our stay at the Airbnb, and it has been a wonderful night. It felt like we were staying in a treehouse, or like Carlos said, like Jurassic Park almost. At night you can hear just like slight creaking from the trees and the wind, and it's just so relaxing. And then in the morning, I don't know if you can hear, but you can hear the chickens and the birds squawking, having a great time out there. And the bathroom even is so nice. They gave us lotion and really nice hand soap and candle, and it's been really good. It's time to have breakfast. We are going to make good use of the eggs that they gave us. Breakfast. Look how pretty it is. Imagine waking up with your family, with your girlfriend, whatever, I don't know. With your wife, and making some delicious breakfast. Or well, we ordered Grab.
Babe, way to show them behind the scenes. We're so fake.
So fake. Nuh-uh. Oh my god. Carlos is just an animal whisperer. animals love him so much. Oh my god, dude.
I have a falcon.
That was glorious.
I know. I feel so rich.
Sublime.
Sublime!
All right, breakfast time. What is George saying to you?
He came over to me, he hopped on my shoulder, and he whispered in my ear, "Just a gentle reminder, your checkout is 2 p.m. And then he flew off.
And that's the kind of treatment that you get here at this
Professional
Airbnb.
falconry service.